if you are not doing this to clean your scalp, to stimulate your scalp, to get your hair follicle ready to produce hair, to get your blood ready to boost your hair, to get your hair shine, to get your hair maximum flexibility it needs so that manipulation of your hair will be what? Flexible, to get your hair shiny, to prevent what? Shrinkage and breakage, dryness, itching, and scalp inflammation. If you are not doing what you are watching now, I don't know which planet are you. You are welcome to my channel. Once again, we are here. This video, I hope you have patience to watch it to the end and watch what I am doing and how I am doing it. I pray for you that may your days be long in the land of the living in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. As you can see, this is my first daughter. Last time I work on my baby sister hair. This is baby big sister. Now you can see what I am doing without announcement again. Like you know already, this is another day to wash our hair. And what I put together that I am using, I have made video of it. I will leave the link on comment section so that you know what I put together. Now let me tell you the benefit of preparing hair, especially people, especially mothers. You are still plaiting your child hair, your child is crying. You are still plaiting your child hair, the comb is what is breaking on your child hair because it's too thick. You are still plaiting your old children's hair and you are combing as if you are in a war front. No, this is what you are getting wrong. Pre-pooing is very amazing. One of the reasons we pre-poo is what? To get the hair flexible for manipulation, because the day of hair wash that we usually call wash day is the day your ancestors come after your hair. Is the day, if your hair will progress, if your hair will grow longer and thicker, it depends on this day, because this is the day you are to lose more hair through taking down your hair, through washing, through detangling, through replaiting again. Like this day is the day that you can't afford to take for granted, like to play with. If you are really interested to look at yourself in the mirror and you will admire how God creates your hair, you will be, if you are interested to be receiving compliment about your hair every now and then, if you are interested to have that kind of hair design you ever dream of, like the one you see everywhere, this is what you should do. Just go ahead and be looking at what I am doing. Now I am detangling. And everything I put together here is so super beneficial. I say it again. I will leave the link on the description, on the comment section, so that you watch the thing that I put together. That was when I was working with a little sister hair, and I preserved some of it. As the other one that I kept in the freezer is what I want, that I'm using for baby. Now I beg you in the name of God, today is on the 29th of April. Today make it 7 good years, or this month rather, 7 good years that my two children cut down their permy and we start what? The journey of our natural hair. And at this point, the hair is at waist length. I'm no longer in a hurry that the hair should more than where it is now. 7 good years, she has never encountered, big sister has never encountered hair setback, but her sister has encountered hair setback, and we are beautifully recovering. You understand? See, please, I see some mothers, I see some my fellow ladies asking for church When I open my hair, say, Sister Lizzie, what are you doing to your hair, to your children's hair? Especially people at my age and above my age, that premenopause and menopause have taken, like, have descent on their hair. They are like, Sister Lizzie, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is the secret. This is what I am doing. This is what I am doing. Few years ago, about a year and a half ago, I noticed that my hair was getting thinny. It was getting broken. In fact, before I cut down my hair was more longer than my kids' hair that you are seeing now, because I started natural hair before them. I noticed that my hair was breaking, and because of that, I decided to cut it down and what start all over again, not knowing that premenopause and the stress of life was what was dealing with my hair. But by the time I cut down my hair, I still find out that that breakage, that scantiness, that easily, like, was still there. That was when I went for research. I said, what is wrong with my hair? And the main problem I was having is, like, my hormone is getting crazy and crazy every day that passes by. Premenopause have decided to make my hair miserable, and I wake up from my slumber. To surprise you, the thing that has helped me is whole remedy. After 2 years of cutting down my hair, if the length of my hair is like, it's amazing. If I tell you, it's amazing. So I don't understand. People say whole remedy does not work. Even the Bible said, when you pray without faith, that prayer will not work for you. Everything has to do with faith. Believe on what you are doing. You don't even need to be what herbalist or atheist or Christian, but believe on what you are doing, then it will work for you. Once you have a negative mindset of what you are doing, for sure you will have negative what results. I don't know what people say. This is not. Yes, my children hair. I'm not telling you their hair grow to this level under 3 years overnight, but I would tell you the way I handle their hair, the product that I use, the thing that I put together. Even when I buy already made product, when I bring it to my resident, I know how to transform it and get a full benefit that I desire out of that product by adding and subtracting something in and out of that product. So I want to tell you that as you are seeing this hair now for 7 good years, through the help of God, it has been God. It has been what? Work, strength, money, time dedicated what here to be sincere with you, because somebody might has full hair naturally, but if you don't know how to manipulate your hair, if you don't know what to do with your hair, I am telling you, you are not going to see that result for complete 3 years, for complete 5 years, for complete 7 years. It's a lie. Your hair, you can have a very plain, like full hair. If you are not maintaining, applying the right product, your hair will be breaking like hell and become what? Scanting. Praise Master Jesus. See, before I leave you, please, I'm just telling you everything I'm telling you so that you put your eye down and look at how I peacefully, diligently, carefully detangle this hair. I already comb it. It's for me to just what? Get to the bathroom now. If I like, I wash it like this. If I like, I open it one of the other, one after the other, and wash it. And it has been detangled. No much to do anymore. Some people watch my video like this and say, why not show us how you wash your hair? I have some old video about 3 years ago how I wash children hair. As this video is here now, ordinary 10 minutes. It takes me minimum of 3 hours to produce this video, but when I post it to you, YouTube will tell me even if 5,000 people watch it, the average watch hour is 3 minutes. Some of you, yes, might love me enough to watch it to the end. Why some no? That means when I'm making my video, I try to put the place that I think you are more interested in, because if I try to go details and bring a 15 minutes video, 20 minutes video, and you will still do not watch it, at least not even half. For instance, I watch this, I post this now, you will watch it to 6 minutes, and by then you must have get everything that you want out of it. No. So those things is somehow dim our energy to do things, but I will feel like, okay, if I put in the work, spending 5 hours to release 10-15 minutes video, people will not watch it for 5 minutes. So yeah, the Lord is my strength. I know that. Yeah, let me not complain. We are good to go. We are done, and we will be headed to the bath now. All I need to do is just wash this hair as it is now, or one after the other, and do every other thing. If you want private, like help, contact me on Instagram, write me on Instagram, and let me be your online stylist. Whenever you want to do anything with your hair, contact me. I will give you or tell you what to do. I will see you in my next one. If you enjoyed this video to this point, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.